Did you know the materials in vehicle batteries are the most recycled products in the world? Even more than paper, glass, and cardboard. 99% of a battery can be recycled. Electrolytes can be made into detergents. Plastics and metals are used to make new batteries. How do we know this? Because Clarios has been responsibly recycling vehicle batteries for more than 130 years and processes 8,000 batteries every hour of every day across our network, making us the world's largest battery recycler. Our system is simple and closed-looped. We make a battery and deliver it to a retailer. We collect the used batteries, recycle them, and turn them into new batteries. Our vision is a world where 100% of vehicle batteries are responsibly recycled. And the best way to use an old battery is to turn it into a new one. Clarios, powering today into tomorrow.